Hello, pretty wonders. I am Tanya Majumdar, and I am thrilled to share my views about Ajmal Modern Residential School, Gopal Nagar.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे रास्ते भागे
If you want to plant for a year, you plant grey. If you want to plant for 10 years, you plant a tree. But if you want to plant for eternity, you educate human beings.
पाँव से आगे
Before we dive in, let me tell you, it's not just a mere institution, it's an incredible journey. So buckle up and let me take you inside the halls of power.
कुछ और भी मांगे क्यों सोचना जाना कहाँ जाए वही ले जाए जा बेसब्रियाँ
They say history is written by the winners, but standing here, I've realized that at Atmos Foundation, it is written by the braves. Hello, so I have with me two brilliant students of AMRS. Hello, Maria and Afiza. So, since your campus is very vibrant, it's so much energetic, so much green and very fresh, I want to ask you, what does your school provides you?
Our school teaches us beyond academics. It makes us critical thinkers, problem solvers, and socially responsible citizens.
That's wonderful. And Afiza?
We are the dreamers, we are the visionaries, and we are the future of this country.
Indeed, they are the dreamers, they are the visionaries, they are the future of this country.
कदमों पे तेरे बादल झुकेंगे जब तक तुझे ये एहसास है जागीर तेरी
Hello, ma'am. I
Hello,
hope you
Tanya.
are doing well and with the best of your health.
I'm doing really good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing fine.
That's great.
Ma'am, I'm really mesmerized to see the beauty of your campus. I want to ask you one thing. Like, what are the scopes that your school is providing?
Thank you for the question, Tanya. So the question that you have posed is brilliant, that what is the scope that we are having. Since AMRS, that is Ajmal Modern Residential School, is a unit of Super 40, so our curriculum is aligned with the structure of Ajmal Super 40.
Acha.
Which is mostly inclined towards medical and engineering career. We are not just exam oriented that we prepare the students for exam. We rather prepare the students in such a manner that they are ready for any and every exam, first and foremost. Second, our scope is that after studying with us, then when they go further to Ajmal Super 40 or Ajmal IS Academy or any university for that matter, they will not face difficulties.
I see, it's a global approach.
Yes, it's a very much global approach. We have integrated approach. We teach them in such a manner that tomorrow when they face the real exam of life, they are well set. Moreover, our students are in a set structure, well-disciplined structure. As you can see, it's a girls' campus. So safety and security of the girls, keeping that in concern, and we have a secular approach. So it is not that we just focus on one particular side. So overall, the character building, not just a student, we build human being. So because 10 years, 20 years down the line, when we have students, we want to see them as global citizens, but the name of the nation, because the responsibility of our nation lies on their shoulder. So we are trying to build that particular shoulder so strong that tomorrow when the nation falls on them, they are ready to take it further. So that is how.
Beautifully they are prepared to take social responsibility and become globally competent. One other thing, it's like একটা মানব সম্পদ গড়া হচ্ছে এখানে.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's indeed, I'm glad to see your mission and vision is so cleared, and I congratulate you and wish you miles to go.
Thank you so much, Tanya. It's a privilege being our student that you have come here and that you are talking to us, that you are taking initiative. It's so kind of you, so great of you. Keep doing the good job. You have fared really well. Thank you so very much.
Everyone, it's a homecoming.
Yes, it's definitely a homecoming. Thank you so much.
Words of Nelson Mandela feels alive here. I quote, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. As we leave, I hope you just don't take away a story, you take away a spark. Thank you for walking with us. Keep building, keep believing, and above all, keep serving.
ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला